All right, hey, hello guys, welcome to my third instructional technology tutorial. Today, what we're going to be looking at is Quizlet. Quizlet is basically a tool where you can quiz your students on different concepts and lessons that you've gone over. What I'm going to do first is use the flashcard option, and basically what you can do is free. You can create a profile by using your Facebook or using a Google account. I chose Google and I select that I was a teacher. Again, it's completely free. First thing I'm going to do is create a study set. So I'll click this right here. There's different options. You could take it with you anywhere. Create a study set. And right here you can set the title. Right now in physical education we're on a fitness unit, so I'm going to title it fitness unit or fitness test. And right under here is question 1. It says terms. I'm just going to do 2 examples just for this tutorial's sake. First question term I'm going to use is how many minutes should you exercise a day? Right over here I can either select a picture or an image. So click on image. I can click that image right there. Whatever you pop up, whatever you type in, Quizlet has images already there. So I'm gonna just click 60 minutes. And I can add the clock. And right here it has different languages. We're using English. And this is also English. Next question I'm going to do is how many different fitness components are there? Again, I can put in a number or I can create a picture or search for a picture. Let's try searching the number 4. That's number 4. After I'm done, I can hit create. And I can either share this to social media, I can add it to a folder, or I can even add it to a specific class that I want to do this test. But I'm not going to share for today. Alright, so let's do the flashcard option. And what it's showing you is basically the answer to the question. And it says 60 minutes. If I click to flip, it shows me the questions. How many minutes should you exercise a day? I can even get the audio option.
How many minutes should you exercise a day? 60 minutes.
Cool little tool that can add to your students' learning, another revenue of learning. Let's go to the next question. Click again. How many different fitness components are there?
How many different fitness components are there?
Number 4. So that's the flashcard option. I can also add some more if I wanted to. Just click learn. Here is an open-ended options you can use. It says 60 minutes, so I could type in a question. How many minutes should you exercise? And that's incorrect. There's some different things you can use, or you can use speller. You just type out what you hear.
How many minutes should you exercise a day? How many different fitness components are there? HOW space MANY space DIFFERENT space FITNESS space COMPONENTS space ARE space THERE question mark. How many different fitness components are there?
As you can see, Quizlet is very sensitive as to what you're typing in. So that's one thing, is just to let your students know that they have to be very specific in what they're inputting into Quizlet. You can also do a test option. Has some different choices you can use there. And also it has games. One game is scatter. What you want to do is try to make everything disappear by answering the questions right. How many minutes should you exercise a day? I'm going to drag that over there. How many different fitness components are there? Now this would be quite a great game if you have more than 2 questions, but just for our tutorial purposes, I'm just using these 2 questions. Another cool game is called Gravity. And basically, you're trying to protect the planet, so you're going to try to answer the question correct before it reaches the planet. It has different levels you can choose, or you can do definition, or you can do random. 60 minutes. How many minutes should you exercise a day? I wouldn't recommend this for elementary level or maybe even middle school, like maybe 8th grade level. Students know how to type or have the ability to type. And that's Quizlet. This is a great tool to use when you're reinforcing those lessons that you taught, or also helping them study for tests that are coming up. You can feed them the materials that they need and that they know are going to be on the test. I would recommend this highly for just getting ready for quizzes or tests or things like that.